Welcome to this brief introduction to Qdoc Millenium. Thank you for granting us with a few minutes of your time. Qdoc Millenium is an administrative solution for document control processes, audits, nonconformities, and the follow-up for corrective actions and client complaints that reduce implementation times and costs of already certified organizations or those in the process of an ISO 9000 certification. Qdoc Millenium is a powerful solution that solves the most common problems in the implementation of a quality management system and avoids the possibility of revocation of certification due to the persistence of nonconformities during document control processes. Qdoc Millenium shortens document approval and consultation cycles. With Qdoc Millenium, you can turn your company into a much more competitive organization and reduce its administrative expenses. You will be able to use the services of your personnel for other important tasks and reduce the high costs of staff particularly assigned to sustain your quality management system. Another problem that Qdoc Millenium will help you solve is the distribution of obsolete documents to many people, because with Qdoc Millenium, the documents that do circulate will be those in effect. Nowadays, companies are adopting a paperless policy. Qdoc Millenium allows businesses to reduce the excessive exchange of printed documents that, apart from contravening certain environmental regulations, cause unnecessary budget expenditures. With Qdoc Millenium, you will assure that only authorized people are able to access confidential documents. Generally, audits and nonconformity observations do not receive adequate follow-ups, and this hinders the continuous improvement of the company. Qdoc Millenium effectively solves both the planning and the implementation of audit processes, as well as corrective and preventive actions follow-up. The feedback and follow-up from observations and customer complaints are a critical aspect for company survival. Qdoc Millenium solves this problem through its Customer Complaints Administration module. The main features of Qdoc Millenium are: Document Control. It allows users to configure documents approval cycles. It automatically notifies via email those involved in the approval process actions until the document is finally published. It allows the definition of templates according to the different types of documents required. Only authorized people will have access to specific documentation. And it has a strict printed documents control. Audits. It allows the definition of one or several audit programs and can handle audit verification lists and electronic distribution of the audit report. Nonconformities follow-ups. This characteristic is integrated with the audit module and allows for a detailed follow-up of the plan of action all the way to the completion of the corrective action. Client complaints follow-up. Based on the NMX CC 10002 IMNC 2005 norm, it assigns a leader and allows the step-by-step follow-up of the actions carried out until the solution is achieved and the client's feedback is received. All these features include operating and managerial reports. Qdoc Millenium is a solution that more and more companies use today. Successful organizations such as Pfizer, Unilever, Gerber, Mercedes-Benz, the State of Querétaro's Water Commission, Campbell's, and Betticino are only a few that already use and are totally familiarized with Qdoc Millenium in the administration of their quality management systems. Use Qdoc Millenium now as your right hand for the administration of your quality management system. Call us, visit us, or write to us. We will be pleased to hear from you. Qdoc Millenium